Well, hello, everybody. This is my Julie Jewel. And Julie's a plucker, as you can see. But she also has an injury that I've gotten to heal up. And then she reopens it. It's under this wing right here. And so what I'm doing is I need to get medicine on her, but she does not like me putting medicine on her. So what I found is I've tried so many different things. The vets have given me antibiotics. We've done all kinds of things. But what I found is for her wound is betadine. And it's non-toxic. And so what I've done, but she's also very terrified of sticks. So what I learned to do is I have a stick here and I use it to pet her. So she loves the stick. And then that wound is on the other wing. And so I let her know that this stick is good. So I pet her with the stick. We love on her. And on the other end, I have the betadine. So when I get her to open up her other wing, then I can put the betadine on it. And then I continue to pet her for a little while so the betadine can dry. Because if she finds that wet betadine, then she gets mad at me. So I distract her. So this is the first time she's opened up her wing. Let's see if we can see. I got the betadine on there pretty good. I swabbed it. So I'll do this a couple times a day. I just want to let you know, like, there's ways to trick your birds into loving to get their medicine. You just got to think about it. You got to give it thought. Like, like, how can I make this less traumatic for my bird? And so this is what I've discovered with my Julie Jewel. All right, baby. You got your medicine. Love you.